back at it with the old girl. I've resealed. Crank this up. Done some sealing. You know. Anyways. Pleasantly surprised after all the rain. It's just old stuff I had to get ripped up. No moisture puddles. We're fucking dry, yo. Got my painting shit right there. Fucking dry, yo. Huh? What do you think? So, my eyes might be a little puffy. Yeah. We lost this ESA, a service dog. She's a little 3-year-old bulldog. A couple weeks back, she didn't make it through a surgery, and it's been pretty rough. But anyways, I get back after some stuff and get back to some projects. We're gonna my channel. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna sell the Mustang and sell the Mustang and some extra cash flow just to sit around. But really we'll just getting back up there. I'm gonna do some painting. I got all this shit to do yet. I gotta pull the trim off. It's all over the trim. Other doors. All this shit's gotta get fucking painted still. You know, there's still shit needs to get cleaned up. Drawers I've got, you know, like I gotta figure out the bathroom situation. Shitter, tank, water tank, new sink. Yeah. So I'm going to get after some more painting. Try to maybe get some footage, but I'm just going to be, this is the exciting part here. I've got the roof stapled up more. I was going to gut everything in the cabinets. We'll do that later because we just got some fittings and some copper stuff. You know, it'll turn out. But this is dry, man. Stoked. No moisture. No wet stuff. It's good. It was pouring, so right on. To be continued. And, yeah, might not be getting rid of the Mustang. Just to clarify that. But yeah, main reason I remember, or another big reason was to start wrapped up was for the girl's birthday, 35. We're gonna try to take a first voyage in this bitch, so I'm gonna get a Jenny and whatnot. But I wanted to make a quick shout out there. Yeah, we'll see what happens with the toys, but some extra money for the goat might be fun. There's a mattress, memory foam. We're gonna get that all pulled out. That's all painted. Retouch up some shit, go back over stuff.